Hello friends, I'm Yash. Welcome to our Yash Touch channel. Today I am making video for inspection type 3, that is in process inspection. In process inspection is used for result recording during in process quality check for semi finish or finished material. That is inspection after 2 hours, 4 hours or per shift. In routing, we can maintain inspection characteristics for particular operation for which we want to do in process inspection. After releasing production order, the inspection lot generated. So friends, let's move to our quality inspection chart where I will explain what is mean or how the inspection lot is processed for inspection type 3. The functional area is production. Some prerequisite is needed for generating inspection type 3. The prerequisites is for generating inspection type 3 is inspection plan and MICs. In routing, we maintain MICs sampling procedure for that particular operation where we want to generate this inspection lot. So what is the sequence of transaction state? This inspection type is purely used for in-process inspection. So first step is to create production order. So after releasing a production order, this inspection lot generated. Then once inspection lot generated, we can do result recording and usage decision. The application of this inspection type is purely for half or FERT, means semi-finished material and finished material. So friends, let's move towards demo. So friends, I will show you what is the prerequisites needed for generating inspection type 03, that is in process inspection. First, I will maintain quality management view. I select here quality management view and I will show you inspection type 03. I will maintain in quality management view. So here is inspection type 3 in process inspection for production order and relevant business transaction is faced here. I will check it. It's okay. Now I can save it. Next step is create BOM. So I had create BOM for that particular finished material. I will show you this material. This is plant and this uses is one production. This is my bill of material for that particular finished material. Next step is to move creating routing for that particular material. So I had created routing. The T code for creating routing is nothing but CA01. So I will show you my routing for that particular material. Here is the material plant, enter it. Firstly, I will show you uses and status. The uses is 1, means it is used purely for production order or for production. Status is 4, means release for all, costing, production, release for all. Now I will click on operation. Here, as you show on the screen, there are 3 operations, 1, 2, 3. For first operation, I will maintain PP01 control key. For second operation, I will maintain PP06. And for last operation, I will maintain PP03 control. So why I use that control key, I will explain you. In first operation, there is no any inspection characteristics assigned for that particular operation. So function of this PP control key is confirmation required, scheduling, detail capacity requirement and costing. Now I move towards second operation. In second operation, I had maintained inspection characteristics. So I click on inspection characteristics. Here I maintain my MIC as a vernier and sampling procedure. And I will check this consistency check. This is okay. So now I move towards operation overview. In second operation, I will maintain PP06 as a control key. So why I use this PP06 control key, I will tell you. Yes, 1 minute. There is PP06 control key. In PP06 control key, my inspection characteristic require business transaction activated. So for processing the MIC, for processing the inspection lot, this business transaction inspection characteristic require is important, and I will maintain is in PP06. In last control key, I use PP03. It is milestone confirmation. So what is this milestone confirmation? For that, I had already made one video. You can see that video. So now I will back. So this is main prerequisites for generating inspection lot for in-process inspection. Now I will move towards inspection chart. So first I want to create production order. So now I will go. The T code for creating production order is nothing but CO01, where I maintain my finished material, where I maintain plant and order type, then enter. Here I maintain my quantity, here maintain today's date, enter. Okay. Then I click on good receipt key, where I maintain finished product storage location. Now I will click on operation overview, where I want to check all my operations come in this order or not. So all my operations properly fetch here. Then I will click on component overview screen, where I maintain my raw material storage location and relevant batch. Okay. Okay, relevant batch. This is my batch. Now I want to save this production order. Now I want to save this production order. So my production order number is 703185. My production order is 703185. So I move towards QM inspection type chart. So as per chart, first I created production order. Now it's time to release production order. Without releasing inspection type 03 or inspection lot is can't generate it. So I click on assignment tab. As is shown here, there is no any inspection lot. Means inspection lot is blank. So now I want to release that production order. After releasing production order, automatic this lot will come. So I click on this release order flag. As you show, automatic inspection lot start with 3 comes. Now I want to save that production order. Okay, actually execution is takes some time. Inspection type 3 is not stock relevant. There is no any stock posting here. Its use is for only in process quality check during certain time, certain shift, after 2 hour, after 4 hour, or after per shift. So as per move towards chart, the next step is after releasing production order, inspection lot created. So now I want to check whether my inspection lot is properly created or not. Then I will move towards results recording and users decision. So now my order is saved. I will move to check whether my inspection lot is generated in today's date or not. Here I put lot origin, and I will execute. Okay. So my inspection lot 2052 is generated and status is release CLC. Now my next step is to confirm the production order. My next step is to confirm production order. So this is my order number 703185. Key code for confirmation of production order is nothing but CO11N. Here I put my production order number. In operation tab, you can see there are 3 operations. So I can select one by one. Now I click on actual data. my yield quantity page, then I can save it. Yes, here some costing related errors, so no problem. My first operation is confirm here. Execution takes some time, no problem. Meanwhile, yes. So now I will move towards confirming my second operation. So in operation tab, I'm selecting second operation, that is 20. I click on actual data. So there is one message here, actual data of QM characteristic operation 20 is missing. Means in operation 20, we can check or we can process our inspection lot and do result recording. So here is operation 20 is inspection lot. So now my next step is to result recording that particular inspection lot. Here I want to click on operation 20. Yes, here I want to put my result. So my result is recorded, inspection status is changed. Now my next steps is to confirm operation 20. My next steps is to confirm operation 20. Okay, here is I put operation 20. Click here. So my operation 20 I want to confirm. Yes, operation 20 is confirmed. So my next step is to confirm operation 30, that is last one. Okay. So now I want to do UD for that particular inspection lot. As you know, this inspection lot is not stock relevant. So there is no any stock posting tab available here. Now I want to save it. I want to refresh it. So you can see on the screen, system status is changed, UD is done properly. So this is more about inspection type 03. Next time I will make video for inspection type 4, that is good receipt inspection against production order. Meanwhile, you like YesTouch channel, subscribe it and share. Keep touch with YesTouch. Thank you.